Hey tubers, what we've got is a 2002 Toyota Camry, and it's got 187,000 miles or 188,000 miles on it or so. My son's been driving it. Now, we bought this car in 2008, and we were the fourth owners, and it had 100,000 miles on it, so can't really complain about the vehicle. But in the last 3 years, I believe my son has probably put 40,000 miles on it, and I know I haven't changed the oil that much. He hasn't let me have the car. That's the part of the problem. So I'll let you see how dirty the oil is in a second, because I'm sure it's still on the dipstick. I didn't wipe it clean. Let me get the plug back in and tightened one step at a time. All right, there it is. The calibrated torque wrench. Click. Yep, that's it. Now I still need to reach in there and change the filter, but let me drag the pan out of the way. Ugh. Whoa. Very full. Okay. Wow, well, the dipstick's pretty well drained down, but this stuff is black. It's not clean. I'll bet you this has got about, I'd say 7,000 miles on it. Easy. So, not good. See, when I drive, I'm a 3,000 mile guy. So, I'm checking the fluids, looking at things just to see how clean, burnt. Oh, transmission fluid looks nice and red. Alrighty. Let's see if we can't wrestle out that oil filter. Otherwise, I've got to go try to find a oil filter wrench. I think it's coming. Oh, baby. Come on, you can do it. That was almost better than sex. Shit. And just as messy. Oh. Well, I really botched that job. I don't care what anybody says. I love the Fran filters just for that texture grip bottom, because it makes a world of difference when you're trying to turn, tighten, and you're all oily, greasy. Yeah, I can't see going to a service station. The first one was for her, the second one was for me. And I did it twice. Now I really can feel it. I'll just chop this arm off. Guys, I'm serious though. I really like these cardboard boxes. 6 quarts, basically for the price of 5. And I really don't find this any big problem. And it really is a nice bright oil. But this pours just as easy as any plastic bottle. I actually like that little pull tab better than those pieces of plastic foil that half come off and then might pour off when you're filling. Now just remember, this is not a 6-quart motor. Now you can open this flap to actually see your level, but it feels about half poured. So let's just take a peek at the old dipstick. And I am barely touching the bottom. I'm at the low spot. This '02 Camry though has really been a solid running little machine. Now, this is the first time I've owned it since I've done the valve cover gasket, so we're gonna find out for real if this thing's burning oil like it was. See, with my son driving it, he won't keep it up or tell you things in a timely manner. I'm right at half, and I like to keep mine at the high mark. So, it's a little car, you don't want to overfill it, so you just give it a little taste. Overfilling is not good for your motor. It's probably worse than underfilling. I'm very close to the arrow. I might be a little below high. There we go. And I'm done. It probably is a little below high or just now at the high spot. Of course, when I run it and get the filter and everything all juiced up, the level will probably change. Okay. Now, on the basic car inspection, I'd have to say this Camry looks good. I don't see any major leaks. See, it used to be all leaking along in here where the valve cover is, and on the side here you could see it from the back where the valve cover was. And of course, if you look at the video, those damn spark plug tubes were full of oil. But actually, everything now seems nice and dry. So, with some fresh oil in this bad boy, I've cleaned out his stuff. Slowly, I'm going to transform this into my car again. And, yeah, we'll mod it all out. Isn't that what everybody says? They're modding their shit out today. I'm going to put some mods on my car. But there's nothing wrong with this. It's a '02 Camry, paid for, 188,000 miles. And, oh yeah, it's got dents and things, but it runs nice. Passes inspection. And see, on the days when I don't want to drive the Tundra, just even to go to the store or, or run up to see Phil for lunch, this thing will be a great machine. Yeah, slowly but surely I'll get it all tuned up to me. But right now the motor, the oil, all that stuff seems okay. I'll have to do a brake check. Tires look acceptable. I think this thing's going to be okay. I mean, whew, it has been a good runner. You can even see the scratches on the bumper down there. But it has been a good running machine. I really have nothing to complain about with this car. So, let's just keep pushing it down the road. That black oil's going to be recycled. And that's the video. The '02 Camry is back in my possession. And it's not a bad ride. Oil change is nice. I'm not sure if it's burning oil like it was. I know it's not like it was, but like I said, we'll keep an eye on these things and check it out.